So this is the cat-cow exercise, and sometimes referred to as a cat camel exercise. But what we know it as is just a basic spinal flexion and extension movement. This is really important and valuable if you sit in a chair all day, because chances are you're sitting on an aeroplane, you're in one position the whole time and you're cramped and you can't move. There's no loading on your joints at all. If you're at a desk working, you've got pressure from there, you've got blue screen looking at you, and you're not exploring your full range of motion that your spine has. So in this exercise here, we try and go as high up as we can, as far down as we can, into flexion and into extension. So just watch me as I do this here. Put your hand underneath your shoulders and your knees roughly underneath your hips here. Push your toes into the ground. And we're going to do the flexion element first, which is basically take a big breath in, and I want you to try and think of yourself making like a moon shape here and come up as high as you can. Drop the head down. So the head goes down, your hips go down, and your spine goes up as high as you can. And then we progress into the extension, whereby the head comes up and the hips come up, and we try and collapse our body down into extension there. So now we're getting the full range of our spine, fully flexed here, and then fully extended here. So I want you to work through this really slowly and deliberately, pushing the hand into the floor, up here, and then coming down through the full range of motion. And this is important, even if you do sit in a desk all day and you are hunched over, there's a difference between doing it mindlessly, okay, when you're looking at a screen all day and not thinking about it, and deliberately flexing your spine, all right? There's a difference in that, and we want to make sure that we are going all the way down, all the way up with our spine. Full flexion, full extension. We do it from all fours. It's called the cat-cow exercise.